Hello, hello, hello. A little behind the scenes look at our vision mapping workshop coming up. I wanted to show you what supplies I have and if you are participating, what supplies you might want to have, and you don't have to have them all. These are just some ideas. And I bring a lot of these with me when I'm teaching in person. So we got the big old easel board, which it's huge, right? It's a big, huge easel board. If you like to have something hanging on your wall, you will want to have that. If not, you can go with something smaller, which I'll show you in a second. Different size Post-it notes are really, really encouraged. That's the only thing I really encourage are these different size Post-it notes. This is in my bag of goodies. Again, I bring a lot of these supplies when I'm in person, scissors and crayons and colored pencils and colored markers and glue sticks. Again, you don't need all this stuff. Bring what works for you. If you're coming to the workshop on Wednesday, you could use colored paper. If you've got kiddos, or if you're into arts and crafts, colored paper is nice. I like to use, and this is behind the scenes here, 3 days before. This is my vision mapping journal. You can get it on Amazon. It's good to have after the workshop, or if you're thinking about coming to one of my workshops, it's handy. It's a do-it-yourselfer guide. I have stickers and all sorts of fun stuff. So this extra large, it is easel paper. It's 11 by 14. That's a great idea too. I'd open the book, but my book is completely full. I need to stop and get a new one. It's a great idea to have if you're not into this big, huge easel paper. And then this is my basket of goodies. I bring this when I am in person. I've got different colored papers for people to use, and books, and notebooks. You might want to have a notebook. That's handy, a notebook or scratch paper. And these vision maps you'll leave with your 90-day plan for success. So if you haven't joined, click the link and join. If you've joined, this is little ideas of what happens behind the scenes and perhaps some items you might want to have handy this Wednesday. All righty. Happy week of vision mapping workshop.